Hi friends, let me show you, this is my tripod that lost its plastic covers here, and I bought these plastic covers. They are round, they are supposed to be used in furniture, but I find them to fit perfectly here. These plastic covers are 16 millimeters or 5/8 of an inch, and they fit perfectly, even though I'm going to put them some Gorilla Glue so they won't come off. Okay, I use my tripod a lot for everything, and I need it with a rubber covers because these metal thin endings, well, they scratch everything. So I put some Gorilla adhesive in the metal endings of my tripod and some in the plastic covers. I'm going to attach this. I'm going to wait for the adhesive to dry and hope to have a new set of rubber feet for my tripod. Perfect.